Today I am here at the 18th edition of REI 2025 Expo that is happening at Greater Noida, and I am at the second day of the expo, and I am visiting the iPLON stall here, and I am having with me Mr. Rahul Sharma. He is CEO and MD of iPLON. So, sir, my first question I would like to know about is iPLON. You are been in this sector for the past 13 years. So,
Yes,
can you
right.
please let us know about your journey actually?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, the iPLON we have started in 2013 in India, and so our main focus it was with the utility scale solutions with the SCADA, and over the time we have also developed the solutions for the C&I segment where we provide the microgrid controller. We can basically where we can integrate the PV the diesel generator gensets with the PV also, and of course the other sources like steam turbine, gas turbine also we can synchronize with the solar for the industrial applications. Then we also have basically now recently we have also launched our solution for the PM Kusum segment also, where our solution is already integrated with the multiple discom and to the MNRE portal as well. And then of course the PPC solution where as per the CA guidelines you need to have the PPC installed in a power plant so that you can manage the grid stability also, and you can do the active power control, reactive power control, voltage control. So for that also that part we have developed. So right now I would say in Indian market we have already executed the 5 gigawatt plus the SCADA monitoring and the power control solutions, and around 2 gigawatt we have installed for the power plant controller. And specifically I would say because in 2024 we have the new shareholders in the company, a company called Thomas Close Holding Group and Easy Energy GmbH. So in the last 1.5 year, basically, we have expanded our geographical presence also into the multiple locations, including Delhi NCR also, and in Pune as well, and also in the location of Karnataka, Hyderabad, so that our reach can be increased more to the customers with our service and support team also. So that way we are our team size is growing. So right now we are 50 plus in the India, and we are serving our customers. And so this is how basically we are going. And of course we have the new product lines also which is coming with the EMS controller also, so that on the BESS projects also basically we can provide our solutions for the complete round the clock generation of solar, wind, and including the battery system as well.
Yeah, you told about the SCADA platform that is there for the PM Kusum project, and I am seeing a lot of other products also. Can you so please take us through the other portfolio that you are having? Yeah.
Yeah, I think we can make a walkthrough to the
Definitely.
hardware to you.
Yeah.
So basically, this particular hardware, the prototype what we have installed, this is used on a utility scale power plant. So this is basically shows the complete redundant power plant controller. This can be used for the solar plant, and this can be used for the solar wind hybrid power plant also. So basically, where we will be integrating the PQ meter on the point of interconnection. So from that power quality meter, we will be sensing what are the parameters for the grid also, and based upon that, we will be giving the command to the inverters for the controlling. And with this, basically, we have the workstation also, where the plant operator can monitor all the parameters, and they can also give the command from this workstation to the inverters also. So they can run either the plant either in the static mode or in the dynamic closed loop control, and over the time then they can operate whatever mode they want to operate the plant. And then the next product, it is more for the PM Kusum segment. So this is like the modular data logger what we have known. This is specifically for the PM Kusum segment, because in this you can use whatever the number of interfaces you need for the RS485, and also for the digital inputs, digital outputs for the breaker operation, and also the analog inputs. And this controller having the MQTT protocol also, which is compatible with the multiple state SCDM where we have already tested, and it is sending data further to the MNRE portal also through the MQTT. And then further, this is the simplified data logging solution for the Kusum segment, and this is this is also for Kusum, and it can be used in the open access plant also, from 5 megawatt, 10 megawatt, even up to 20 megawatt also. Basically, you can also club the workstation also together with this, so that the client has a local storage for the data in the plant as well, and then they can also push the data to the cloud platform also. And this is we have the data loggers from SolarLog, because we are the partner since 2018 with SolarLog also for the Indian market and for Sri Lankan market. So basically, this is very easy to configure for the up to the 2 megawatt plant size. These data loggers can be used, and this is also the complete modular data loggers, where you can have you can extend the number of RS485 interfaces also, and you can also extend the IOs also in this data logger actually. So this is the complete range of the solution we have. Additionally, what we have made, basically we have made all our software packages now the hardware agnostic, because earlier we were using the only iPLON legacy controller. But now basically over the time in the last 2 years, we have made all our software packages compatible, which can be basically used in the any IoT platform or any edge platform, and also as well to the PLC platform also. So now we are expanding our range of hardware platform to the multiple OEMs which we can use as per the customer approval. And also our hardware, it is compatible with this IEC 62443, 41 and 42, basically meeting all the cyber security requirement as per the industry standards. And of course we have also come up in this REI, we have also launched the iPLON sensors also. Basically these sensors, it can be specifically, the purpose for this sensor is to, because most of our customers together with the SCADA, they also expect we should supply the WMS also, mainly for the Kusum segment, and as well as for the open access projects also. So basically we have the now complete range of the pyranometer also, and the module temperature sensors, and relative humidity sensors also, wind speed sensors and wind direction sensors, so that basically we can make the complete package to our customer with the WMS and as well as the SCADA solutions.
Yeah, thanks a lot for taking us through the product portfolio that is there. I would like to know about the data loggers and the IoT platform that you are having. How actually the customer benefits by using this product, or what advantages he has when he uses these products?
Definitely. So basically, the one of the main advantages we have in the iPLON, because over the time we have understood the customer requirements, because it is not like we are just giving the some standard screens and standard platform only to the customer, because the one of the main strength iPLON is having is to do the basically the code development and the co-engineering, and doing the customizations based upon the customer specific requirements, because that is bringing the possibility. Otherwise, sometimes with the standard data logging solution, the customer are forced to use whatever the screens or whatever the features they are providing. But here basically we work on a project based solutions, so that all the customer requirements can be taken into the consideration, and we can do all the customization based upon the requirement. And additionally, our solution, it is more flexible, and it is more interoperable, so that the data, it is not limited to the iPLON only. All the data can be flexibly integrated to the third-party systems as well, over the multiple protocols like API, through FTP, through SFTP, through the MQTT. So we have the whole compatibility with the data exchange protocol also.
Regarding you told us about the expansion that you have done in various cities. After this expansion, what is the growth or the market size that you are looking at?
See, what happens in the earlier years, we were, to be honest, we were too centralized only in the Chennai. But now, since we know like our customer base is also growing into the other locations like in Delhi NCR, and also in Karnataka also, and in Mumbai, Pune also. So basically now we have hired our sales and support colleagues in the different geographical location. Now in Delhi we have a team of 7 to 8 team members. In Pune we have a couple of team members, and also in Karnataka we have a 2 team members. So basically this enable us to basically do the good hand holding with the customer for the whole project life cycle, starting from the pre-sales stage, going into the sales, delivery of the project, and of course doing the after sales technical support and service also.
You have briefly told about the project size that you have worked or you are working.
Right.
Can you please elaborate more on that, and what is your future plans?
Yeah. So basically, like I said earlier, till now we have completed the 5 gigawatt for the SCADA and the 2 gigawatt for the PPC. So basically, our future plan is to grow more on the utility scale segment, and specifically into the for the power control solutions, where we can go with PPC, hybrid PPC, and as well as with the EMS controller also. And then of course in the Kusum segment also we are trying to bring the more standardization, so that it can be basically easy to configure without visiting the site, without visiting on the site also, because most of the Kusum sites it's the very remote site, and we don't want to have a dependency for the installers to have the iPLON engineer there. So we are working on the software packages so that it can be made easy to configure also.
Yeah. Finally, sir, I would like to know, we are hearing a lot about IoT and AI is also upcoming. So, going into the future, how do you see this technology evolving, and how actually you are developing, taking into consideration these technologies that are there?
Right. So right now, like I said, we have the major focus on the utility scale segment, and of course in the Kusum segment also. So in utility scale segment, because all the SCADA features we are also building up how basically we can build up the predictive analysis and the predictive maintenance schedule also into that. And additionally, in the Kusum segment, we have also come up with the CMS screen, basically because what happens, like because most of the IPPs they have the hundred of sites in the particular state, in the particular districts, and for them, once the portfolio grows, it is very difficult to monitor each individual site separately. So we are working more how we can make our centralized monitoring more smarter and more easy to use for the O&M teams also. So from that perspective, we are bringing the more flexibility on our cloud platform, particularly from the Kusum segment point of view, how we make it more easy to handle with the bigger portfolios.
Yeah. So thanks a lot, sir. It was very nice interacting with you, getting to know about the latest technologies that are there, and best of luck, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.